Welcome to the world of wooden crafts, where creativity meets sustainability. In recent years, there has been a significant shift towards eco-friendly practices, and wooden crafts made from scraps and wood stumps exemplify this trend. Artisans around the globe are transforming what would typically be discarded into stunning home decor items. This movement not only highlights the beauty of handcrafted goods, but also emphasizes the importance of resourcefulness and environmental consciousness. By utilizing materials that would otherwise contribute to waste, these craftspeople are paving the way for a more sustainable future while enriching their own lives and communities. As we delve deeper into the realm of wooden crafts, it becomes evident that this niche not only offers aesthetic appeal, but also presents a multitude of opportunities for income generation and job creation. Utilizing scraps and wood stumps allows artisans to minimize waste and embrace a more sustainable approach to home decor. Each piece created is not just a product, it tells a story of transformation and creativity. This practice encourages individuals to view discarded materials through a new lens, inspiring them to think about how they can contribute to sustainability in their own lives. To truly appreciate the artistry and potential of wooden crafts, it's essential to stay engaged until the end of the video, as it will showcase not only the intricate techniques involved in transforming scraps and wood stumps into stunning home decor items, but also illuminate the broader impact of these crafts on sustainability and local economies. Throughout the video, you'll witness the creative process, from selecting materials to the final touches that bring each piece to life, highlighting the dedication and skill of artisans. Moreover, the video will delve into how these crafts are not merely products, but symbols of a movement towards eco-conscious living, encouraging viewers to reimagine waste as a valuable resource. The crafts industry serves as a powerful platform for economic empowerment, particularly in rural and underserved communities where job opportunities may be limited. By providing training and resources, artisans can foster skills that lead to stable employment while also cultivating a sense of community and collaboration among creators. Ultimately, the intersection of art, sustainability, and entrepreneurship opens up a world of possibilities for those eager to explore the potential of wooden crafts. By the conclusion, you'll gain insights into the potential for income generation and job creation within the craft industry, understanding how investing in handmade wooden decor can lead to sustainable practices that benefit both artisans and their communities. The growing trend of sustainable living has sparked renewed interest in wooden crafts, particularly those made from scraps and wood stumps. This practice not only champions creativity and artistry, but also serves as a viable means of income generation. By transforming discarded materials into beautiful home decor items, artisans can contribute to environmental sustainability while providing themselves and others with job opportunities. Sustainable resource utilization. Utilizing wood scraps and stumps minimizes waste and underscores the importance of recycling. By repurposing materials that would typically be discarded, artisans can showcase the potential of what many consider refuse. This emphasis on sustainability not only helps the environment, but also promotes a culture of resourcefulness that encourages others to think creatively about their own waste. Job creation. The craft industry is a significant source of employment, particularly in rural and underserved areas. Focusing on wooden crafts opens up various job opportunities, from woodworking to marketing. Establishing workshops and training programs can equip individuals with valuable skills, leading to stable employment. By empowering local communities with these skills, artisans can foster economic growth and create a network of support. Income generation. Creating wooden crafts offers an accessible source of income for artisans. By selling their creations at local markets, online platforms, or through consignment in shops, individuals can turn their craftsmanship into a profitable business. This income not only enhances the quality of life for artisans, but can also uplift entire communities by providing financial stability and encouraging spending within the local economy. Marketing strategies. Effective marketing is essential for the success of wooden crafts. Artisans can utilize social media platforms like Instagram and Pinterest to showcase their work, narrate the stories behind their creations, and connect with potential customers. Visual content can significantly enhance engagement, allowing artisans to reach a broader audience and build a community around their brand. Community engagement. Engaging with the local community can significantly enhance the visibility of wooden crafts. Participating in local fairs, craft shows, and workshops provides artisans with the opportunity to showcase their work and foster community spirit. Collaborating with other local businesses can also create a supportive network that promotes mutual growth, further enriching the local economy. Customization and personalization. One of the most attractive aspects of wooden crafts is their potential for customization. Customers often seek unique, personalized items that reflect their tastes and preferences. By offering customization options, artisans can enhance customer satisfaction and increase the likelihood of repeat purchases, leading to sustained income over time. Online sales platforms. The digital age has revolutionized the way handmade crafts are sold. Websites like Etsy and Shopify allow artisans to create online stores, reaching customers far beyond their local areas. This shift to online sales not only broadens the market reach, but also provides artisans with the flexibility to manage their businesses from anywhere, significantly boosting income potential. Environmental awareness. Promoting wooden crafts made from scraps and stumps also serves to raise awareness about environmental issues. Artisans can educate consumers on the benefits of using recycled materials, encouraging more sustainable purchasing habits. This education can be a powerful marketing tool, appealing to eco-conscious consumers who are increasingly concerned about the environmental impact of their purchases. Crafting workshops. Hosting crafting workshops can serve dual purposes, teaching skills and generating income. By offering classes on how to create wooden crafts, artisans can share their expertise while creating an additional revenue stream. Workshops not only attract new customers, but also foster a sense of community and collaboration, enriching the local craft culture. Wooden crafts made from scraps and wood stumps offer a unique opportunity for both home decor and income generation. By embracing sustainability, engaging with communities, and utilizing effective marketing strategies, artisans can thrive in this creative endeavor. Ultimately, this approach not only enriches the lives of artisans and their communities, but also fosters a more sustainable future for all. Thank you for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed exploring the world of wooden crafts and their remarkable potential for sustainability and creativity. If you found the content inspiring, please consider subscribing to our channel for more engaging videos. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family who might also appreciate the beauty of handcrafted decor. Your support helps us continue to create content that celebrates artistry and eco-conscious living.